We can plainly see the low pressure now that is over the southern portions of Louisiana, northern Gulf Coast. This is going to spawn rainy weather for us as we go in through tomorrow morning. The first band will move in early, and then we'll get into some thunderstorms midday into the early afternoon, and each one of these complex of thunderstorms rotating around low pressure almost looks like feeder bands could produce some gusty winds, isolated tornado threat, and heavy downpours. You can see that it continue through the evening now, and then we'll see some showers as the low pressure moves over top of us early on Friday. It does look like we're going to see some pretty healthy totals of rain. Some areas could easily surpass 3 inches, and then our neighbors here could see 1/3 of an inch. So if you get into one of these bands, it could produce some very heavy rainfall locally in the next day or two as we go Thursday into Friday. Marginal risk of severe storms 11 to 7. Damaging wind threat 5% chance. Flash flooding threat 5% chance, and a 2% chance of a quick spin-up tornado.